Hello all, welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on operational decision making. In this video lecture series, we have been discussed on what is operations management, operational decision making, what is decision making, what is the day-to-day operations activities of an organization, how to make a decision, operational decision inside the organization, and we were also been looking on to what is goods, what is services, and what is the basic difference between goods and services. And in the previous video we were been discussing about we have been seeing the introduction to the types of goods. So in this video we will be discussing about what is the types of goods. So without any more delay, let's enter into the video. So discussing about the types of goods, as we discussed in the previous video, in terms of economics, goods are actually divided into four basic types on the basis of two categories. The four types are private goods, public goods, common resources or common goods, and club goods. So these are the four types of goods that are being categorized on the basis of two categories. One is on the basis of excludability and another is on basis of rivalness. In previous video we were clearly detailing looking on to what is excludability, what is non-excludability, what is rivalness, and we were been also looking on to what is non-rivalness as well. In this video fastly we will be looking on, we will be discussing again gist of what is excludability, non-excludability, rivalness and non-rivalness. So excludability actually mentions that the purchase of one good by me can't be utilized by other person. The product that purchased by me and used by me, the same product cannot be used by some other person who can't afford to the product. So whereas non-excludability is that the product that I use can also be, the same product can also be used by some other person as well. So this is called as non-excludability. Whereas rivalness is that the usage of some good by me, good or product by me, reduces the usage of same product by some other person. So that is called as a rivalness. Whereas non-rivalness is that the usage of some product by me doesn't reduces the usage of same product by some other person. Clear? So this is the basic difference between excludability, non-excludability, rivalness and non-rivalness. If you people are really very clear on what is excludability, non-excludability, rivalness and non-rivalness, it would be more easy and it is very much simple to discuss about the types. So what we have been elaborated it more detailedly. So without any more delay, we will be looking on to the first type of a good, that is a private good. So private good, in this sense, private good are the products that are excludable as well as rival. They have to be purchased before they can consume. Therefore anyone who cannot afford to that a private good is excluded from the consumption of the good or that product. Likewise, the consumption of the private good by an individual prevents other individual from consuming of private goods by an individual. Private goods by a private good are all by an individual prevents other individual from consuming the same good. So therefore private goods are also considered rival goods. For example is that, so what is actually explained is that private goods are the products that are excludable and rival. So what we have been discussed about excludable is that the private good is that I have purchased a good, that is a private good, I have purchased a private good, so I have full rights towards the product. The person who cannot afford to purchase that products are excluded. In this case, private goods are excludable goods. At the same time, it is also rival because I have purchased the good. So the same good cannot be utilized by some other person. It reduces the consumption of same goods by other person as well. So in that case, therefore it is called as rival good as well. So the private good is both excludable as well as rival. So what would be the example for this? So the example for this is it may be ice creams, cars, house, anything else. So for example, let us take our favorite ice cream. So I have purchased an ice cream. So in that case, this ice cream is a private good because this is excludable and rival. How come it would be excludable and rival? I have purchased an ice cream, so this ice cream belongs to me. I can't offer this to some other person because they haven't purchased it. In that case, the ice cream purchased by me can be used only by me, so it is excludable. So the consumption of this ice cream by me reduces the availability of the same ice cream to other person. So hence in this case, private good is both excludable and rival. Clear? So in next video we will be looking on to what is public goods and other types as well. See you all in the next video. Thank you.